cats. And now you're going to draw some lines. And
Nori!
we're still going to use 3 colors, just 2 blacks today and 1 orange. You got to make sure that you can copy me if you want to, and make sure that your board or paper are facing like this. Let's get started. I'll put these colors off to the side. You got to make sure that your eraser is on the back. Boop. And first, we're going to draw a big oval, then a circle, eyes, some legs, and then a tail, and some ears. No, I know. That's my sister. I'll put these behind them. Also some stripes. I'm going to do the, I gotta erase those. Come on, I have to erase the whole Jaguar? You have to be kidding me. So big, oh, that's a good one. Circle, eyes, ear, legs, tail. And that's how you draw a Jaguar. And now it's time to color them. Start with our orange. And so we're going to color the whole thing orange. Then we're going to use some black lines. I'm not really good at this, but you can do it totally different.
Wilson, I think you're good at it.
I'm just pretending.
Oh, okay.
So we're done with our orange. Put that in our drawer. Now it's time for the black lines. I'm not. And that's how we draw a Jaguar.
Is that a Jaguar or a tiger?
That's how we draw a tiger. And bye-bye. Dun, 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 dun.